My name is Georgina Castens, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This has gotten over 34,000 reviews on Amazon, over 4.5 stars. It retails for $14.95 for 1 pound, and this is supposed to be, it says, the world's most powerful facial, deep pore cleansing. So we're going to give it a try today, see how it goes. They said that you can use it for facials, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, hair masks, insect bites, and more. So on the directions, it says, mix the clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water, a non-metal bowl, and utensils. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. This is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. We are going to be mixing this in with apple cider vinegar, applying it to our face, and I'm going to kind of let you know my thoughts. So I will go now and get ready to mix this up and put it on my face, and I will be right back. All right, so we are back, and I have my Aztec Secret Clay. I have double cleansed my face. I washed it once and then I did an oil cleanse. I do find sometimes with these clay masks, they can be a little bit drying. So I always like to do an oil and rinse that off before I do something like this, just so my skin doesn't get too dry. So it says to mix equal parts of clay, and then I also have my organic apple cider vinegar. This can be a bit harsh, so if you have sensitive skin, you might want to start off with water first and see how it goes, see how your skin reacts. So I have already pre-measured the apple cider vinegar in a non-metallic bowl, like the direction says. So I'm also going to take, I have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the clay, and then we're going to mix it together because it says, oh, I don't know if you guys can see. It's bubbling. Can you hear it? Okay, so we are going to mix this together because it says non-metallic bowl. I'm also just using a plastic knife that I got from the kitchen, something that I don't mind, just rinsing and reusing. And we are going to mix that together. Definitely pasty. Oh yeah, it's bubbly. It's bubbling up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Bubbling. All right, so we are going to put this on our face and see how it goes. And I am just going to be very sophisticated today and use my hands. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm at the spa. Also, be careful around your eyes if you are mixing it. Even if you're just mixing it with water, but if you're mixing it with apple cider vinegar, definitely want to stay away from your eyes. Definitely make sure to get the nose area all down here. It does mix up pretty good. It feels very smooth. It smells very strong like vinegar. That's pretty much the only smell that you're going to get out of it if you're mixing it with vinegar. This would be really nice as a full body treatment at the spa. We're doing spa at home. Okay, so I am going to let this sit on my face until it dries. I suggest if you're trying this with me at home, sit back, relax, grab a nice cup of coffee and your book, and I will see you back here in just a couple minutes. Quick check-in. I just wanted to let you know that my face is pulsating and I can barely move it. So I would smile, but I can't right now. So I will check back in with you guys when this is fully dry. Okay, see you soon. I don't think I can keep this on any longer. It's definitely really, really tight. I know that it says that it is supposed to be the world's most powerful facial, but I can't move my face. So we're going to wash it off now. Here we go. I have some cold water. So this is my skin, it's very strong. I would not recommend this for sensitive skin. This has got to be one of the strongest clay masks that I have ever experienced. It's made my skin feel very tight. So maybe it's also done some magic and it does really clean out your pores. So we're gonna see. The cold water actually feels really good. Can you see how red my face is right now? So pretty. Okay, so I almost got all of it off. Definitely when I had it on, it does say that you can feel your face pulsating. That is 100% true. I don't know what it is, but it was like boosh, boosh, boosh. So while reading the reviews, there were a lot of really great reviews for people who have acne prone skin, but the people who had sensitive skin, definitely when they tried it and they did it with apple cider vinegar, it was way too harsh. So maybe if you do have sensitive skin or you're just not sure, definitely do a patch test first. Look at how red my face feels. Hot. It feels like hot and a bit irritated. The cold water felt really, really nice. Let me take a closer look. So it definitely actually looks like it did help, get some of the congestion out of my skin. This is definitely the strongest clay mask that I have ever tried. I would love to know your thoughts if you've tried this or other clay masks that you recommend. And with that, I'm going to go put a nice oil on my face. My name is Georgina Castens. Thanks again for joining me in the beauty library, and I will see you soon.